Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I do have a Fashion Nova coat haul. I'm excited about this haul. I have been in desperate need of some new clothes and I've been losing my mind on the Fashion Nova website. Everything in this video that you see today was purchased with my own money. So yeah, I'm not going to keep the intro long. If you want to see what I got from Fashion Nova, then just keep watching. I know someone is going to ask where I probably got my top from, and you guys know I am like obsessed with Former Mills. I don't care. It's a very cheap store that I find really nice, affordable things. So this is where I got the shirt that I got on, and my bottom is actually from Burlington Coat Factory. It's like a girdle, but it's short. So yeah, I'm just kicking around in this for right now while I'm filming. And yeah, we're going to just hop right into this haul. All right, so because I ordered my entire order was just about coats. My box is huge. I show you guys here, very big box. And yeah, I'm gonna actually hop into the bottom pieces that I got from Fashion Nova first, and then we'll try on the coats because I think I got 3 pair of pants. So I'll do the pants first and then we'll hop into the coats. All right, so the first thing I got is called See You Later Wide Leg Pant 35. I got these in the shade Emerald. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video. I know I said I love fringy, which I do. I absolutely will always wear fringy. It does not go out of style to me. And I feel that same way about velvet. So these pants I did get in a size medium, and they are wide leg right off the bat. They have a zipper in the back. Just looking at it, I probably could have got a small because they do have a lot of stretch, but this is the material right up close and personal. I hope I can fit these. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on, and like I said, they do have a zipper in the back. Yes, I am excited about these. They look very long. They look like they're gonna overflow the top of my foot, which I like. So let me try these on and then I will come back so y'all can see them. So right off the bat, I really could have sized down to a small. I did keep my undergarment on, but they are big. I'm gonna have to take them around to the cleaners to get sized up a little for me because I'm not gonna return them. I don't like returning stuff that I actually like and I can tweak, but this is what they look like. They feel really, really, really good. This is a bummer. Actually, I'm gonna take it around there tomorrow because I wanna wear these this weekend. I did try to move my camera back so you can see what they look like. The bottom is very flary and these are cute. I didn't have to unzip the zipper in the back to get them on at all. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take and just get them tightened up. I am like a size 8, so yeah, these must run a little big. And like I said, they do have a lot of stretch. So this is what these look like. Very comfortable, very nice, not too tight. They have these in a burgundy color. I'm going to add them right on my cart as soon as I finish. So yeah, let's hop into the next thing I got from Fashion Nova. Okay, the next thing I got is, let me check again, Houndstooth leggings. I'm obsessed with Houndstooth. If and whenever I start posting pictures on Instagram, you'll see I wear a lot of Houndstooth. I absolutely love it. I got these in the size large. Oh my gosh, they look huge. You know what, Shy? You really tripping. The material on here is beautiful and they stretch. I really don't know what size I wear anymore. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I probably could have got these in like a small or medium. But yeah, I'm going to try them on right now. Okay, right off the back, they feel really, really, really good. And they're not as big as I thought that they were going to be. I actually don't mind my leggings loose as long as they're not saggy here, which they're not. The fit is really comfortable. I absolutely love these. And if you see like a mark here, like I said, I do still have on my undergarment, but I absolutely love these. This was a great buy. So I got these. Now let's move on to the next piece. So let's hop into the last pair of pants that I have, and they actually are tights. They're called turbo leggings. I did get these in a black, and I also got them in a size large. I'm always scared when I order tights. I'd rather them be too big than too small, because in my mind, if they're too big and they're like tights, you know, tights are cotton, I can wash these and throw them in the dryer and they will shrink up some. So yeah, like I said, I got these in a large. The material is really, really nice. And what I like most about these is they have the slits in the knees, and I plan on pairing these with a pair of deep cut fishnet stockings so that you can see the fishnet stockings underneath the tights. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on and then we will come right back. Again, the material on these are really, really nice. I actually had to struggle a little bit to get these up past my hips and my butt area. They are hanging a little bit low, but I do not mind that. Let me back up some so you guys can see the knee. The knees are what I was like most excited about. So yeah, I'm gonna have to stretch these out with my hands some, because I have on like underpants that go to like the knee, and they're like really snug with this. But overall, I do love these. The cotton material is A1, and these were like really inexpensive, $10 to be exact. And the ones that I tried on prior to this were $10. So when I saw them, I'm like, Houndstooth, I need it. So yeah, these look nice. So yeah, now I'm just gonna keep this on and we're gonna hop right into the coats that I got. So I don't want to do too much editing on this video. So yeah, we're just gonna hop straight into it. The first coat that I got is called Central Park coat. I got this in a medium. You guys know I love pink. It's my favorite color. I wear it all the time, and this is a soft wool coat. So yeah, I like wearing pink. Ooh, very nice. This is just like all that. This is so cute, even with just like what I have on right now. If I was just to go out the door chilling with the tights on and this shirt, I can get this off with some really cute little ankle boots, or if I wanted to, I can have some sneaks on that have pink in it. I'll get up and close so you can see the material is nice and soft. This is very Central Park, the perfect name for this coat. I got a medium just because I didn't want it oversized. The pockets in the front are functional. I wanted it to cinch in at the waist when I close it, which it does very nice. So yeah, I couldn't leave this there. This was on low stock and I was like, let me get it now. Very cute, very chic, very New York. So yeah, I'm gonna try on the next coat and I'll be back. Okay, so the next coat I got is also a wool coat. It's called Long Nights coat, and I got this coat two colors. I might not have that. I might have got a different one, and this I got in a size medium. Again, reading the reviews, they did say you should size down. Oh, this feels good. Oh man. Oh yeah, looks like I got money. Yes. This feels luxurious. I needed some coats that I can dress up my outfits. For example, what I got on today, if I wanted to throw some shoes on in this coat, I look like I'm ready for date night. I look like I'm ready to just do me. And yeah, let me see, does this have buttons? No buttons, but I'm not mad at it, because if I wanted to, I can close it up and add a little belt around it myself. But I like coats like this open. Like, yeah. I'll get up and close so you can see the material. This is like an oatmeal color, very nice. This material is really thick to the point where I thought it was lined. Yeah, very nice. Let me show y'all what the inside of that pink coat look like real quick. It's not lined either, but the material is amazing, so you don't miss it being lined. Like, it's very, very thick. You're going to be nice and warm with this on. So yeah, I'm going to grab the other coat and I'm going to come right back. Okay, so the next coat I got is a medium long nights wool coat. It's the same coat that I just had on, but it's in black. And y'all know Fashion Nova always having a sale. So I got all this stuff for the low, like literally the low. So this is what the inside looks like. This is gorgeous. They had these in a couple other colors too. Like, I'm almost thinking I need them all just because. So this is what the coat looks like. Very, very nice. Very warm. And let me show y'all. Yeah, grab this coat. Grab this coat if you need a statement piece to dress your outfits up. Like, do y'all see how I just got on a little shirt and some tights, and these jackets are bringing forth a vibe that I'm like, oh, you dressed? Oh, you dressed? You ready to go? Yeah, I'm ready to go. But I ain't going nowhere. I actually have class tonight. Today is the last day of my semester, so I can really pump out videos for y'all after the semester. And so yeah, very cute. I don't know if I got a close up. Well, yeah, this is very, very nice. So I think I have one more coat. I'm going to take that out and try it on. All right, so the last thing that I have is a cabin stay shepherd jacket. I did get this in a size medium. And hold on. This is like a teddy coat. I've been wanting a teddy coat for like the last 2 years and never got around to buying one. They were like ridiculously overpriced everywhere I've seen them. Out of all the coats, this one is the thinnest, which you would think is the thickest, but I'm not mad at it. It's just like a sweater teddy material. This is nice for those days you want to kick back with some jeans, a graphic tee, some sneaks, some Uggs, and you want to look cute without doing too much. This is it. I needed this. This has pockets. Yeah, oh wait, it has pockets. Yeah, this set it off for me with the pockets, because yeah, I do the most of my jackets when they have pockets. So yeah, I like. Let me get up close so y'all can see the little teddy. This is so warm. Like, I want to keep this on now. So cute. It do have a zipper from the bottom to the top. I'm not going to zip it up right now, so I don't have that kind of time. So yeah, this is cute. I love it. I'm going to put my clothes on, what I'm wearing for today. Like I said, I'm heading out the door to go to class. But yeah, I'll come right back so y'all can see what I'm wearing tonight for class. Okay guys, so today I'm just wearing, like I said, a crop shirt, and I am wearing the fringe skirt that go to the bottom. I'll try to get a full body pic. And you know what's crazy? I just got done saying how much I love velvet, and if you know me, you know that I'm like very old-fashioned. I love pearls, I love lace, I love velvet, I love fringy. I love all things old like. But yeah, one of my friends had got me this velvet coat 2 years ago, and I literally just snatched the tag off it today. It was in my closet, and it's from Fashion Nova. I'm going to try to find this on their site. Today is actually my first time wearing it. You guys know I told you I wasn't getting dressed, and I was not buying clothes. I wasn't really like taking care of myself the last 2 years. I was suffering from postpartum depression. So I really do feel really good to be up and, you know, kicking. Almost back to my old self. Oh, this jacket is bad. What'd you say? Yes. Look at the detailing. This jacket is bad. So yeah, I didn't even know that this was, well, I knew this was in my closet, but I forgot about it. And I didn't even know it was from Fashion Nova. I literally popped the tag off today. So I will be wearing this jacket, and I'm going to wear like some little ankle booty boots, because you're not going to really be able to see because my skirt is so long. So yeah, I'm rambling at this point. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I am literally going to close this video out. Tonight is my last night of the semester, and tomorrow is my last day of clinical. So after tomorrow, I'm done with school until the second week of January. So I'm going to be pumping these videos out for y'all. So I will take your comments starting my next video, and I'll post comments that I appreciate or I want to give you a shout out throughout my videos. So stay tuned for that. So that's the end of my Fashion Nova haul. I want to say thank you to you guys. You always comment, you always show me love. I really do appreciate it. Y'all really put a smile on my face, whether you know it or not, when I read your comments. So yeah, I do have another video coming this week. Everything in the video will be $10 or less. So get your pens ready so you can write the websites down, the screw number, whatever it is that I'm showing you. You don't want to miss these $10 pieces. Do like, comment, and most importantly, if you are watching this video, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye.